It's time for next EdTech presentation by Manish Sharma ji, Manager Corporate Sales, Epson India Private Limited. Mr. Manish, please come forward. Sir, you have 10 minutes for the interaction. Thank you.
So very good afternoon to all. So I will quickly introduce and brief you about Epson background. So basically, Epson is a part of 𝗙cie Corporation, which is Japanese 1 trillion yen turnover company. And we have 23 manufacturing plants and 85 companies across globe. And it is listed in Tokyo Stock Exchange. And Epson supports all 17 sustainable development goals, which is set by United Nations. And one more thing I would like to add, that there are 3 global concerns. One is global warming, depletion of resources, and pollution. So Epson vision is to go carbon negative by 2050. Next is, if I talk about education segment, so education has evolved significantly in recent years, and technology has played a major role in it. And how Epson is, add value to it. So there are 3 key, performance indicators. One is that they are easy to use, they reduce cost, they encourage collaboration. And if I talk about the product line specifically for education segment, so we have, color eco-tank printers, wherein the printing cost is hardly, 7 paisa for black and 18 paisa for color. And these are being used in various applications like letter printing, invoices, classroom project, administrative documents, and account statements. Next is workforce RIPS printers. So if I say RIPS, so RIPS is basically replaceable ink. I mean, what I call it, I just forgot. Replaceable ink solution. So these are high-speed, and multifunction printers wherein you can print high-volume documents. And these printers are being, used in applications such as document printing, photocopying, OMR sheets, question papers, and ID cards. And printing cost, if I say, it will cost you 30 paisa for black and 75 paisa for color. Next is interactive projectors. So this will give you, interactive projects give you a wide viewing angle up to 100-inch diagonal with various interactive features in it. And, again, there's one more thing, wireless connectivity and integrated speakers. And which will give you more into, get an experience of audiovisual content. Next is large venue projectors. These are basically, have a replaceable, interchangeable lens option wherein you can have a short throw, ultra short throw, and long throw projection. Next is document scanners. These are basically used in application for scanning application forms, office documents, certificates, and reports. Next is label printers to stay organized. So these label printers are used for, get an instant label and tag your assets and tagging objects in documents. Last is our photo printers, wherein you can get an instant output of a photograph. And these are being used in various applications like collages, photo albums, and passport photos. So that's all from my side, and I request you all to please visit our stall just at the entrance. And thank you very much.